Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from one Phantom Wallet account to another Phantom Wallet account. Quick safety tip, always make sure you are using the official Phantom Wallet app, downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Also, double check that your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches during the transfer. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Phantom Wallet application. Once you have logged into your Phantom Wallet account, after that, click on this profile page at the top left corner. And here, you can see I have two accounts, and I want to transfer Solana from account 2 to account 1. So in order to do that, go back to your homepage and click on this Send button at the middle of your screen. After that, in the search bar, search for Sol token as well, and you will see this Solana cryptocurrency here. So simply tap on this helpful tip. Make sure you are selecting the correct token when sending funds. Sending the wrong token could result in permanent loss. After that, in the address book, you will be able to see my account 1, and I'm currently on my account 2. So I'm going to transfer my Solana from account 2 to account 1. So simply tap on this account 1. And after that, you need to simply enter the amount of Solana you are transferring from account 2 to account 1 or from one account to another account. For example, 200 Sol. And after that, you just need to simply click on this Next button at the bottom. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to transfer your Sol from one account to another account. Extra note, transfer times can vary depending on Solana network activity. Don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. Check your transaction history within the Phantom app to confirm it went through. And that's how you can transfer Sol from one Phantom Wallet account to another Phantom Wallet account. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related videos.